SQL count is another aggregate function. So it counts existing values of columns. Let's say that's the basic use of it. So let's see the question here, and I'll explain more once we get to the code. So we have the same exact table, employees, same columns. We don't need to go over that again. The question says, retrieve the department and count of employees. Okay, so let's start writing pseudocode, department, count of employees in each department. Okay. Then display the results in descending order based on the employee count. Descending order based on count. Now this is very similar to the previous one. You see this in each department, very similar to for each department, tells us we're likely going to need to group by department, right? Because we are counting the employees in each department. We want the department and the count of employees in them. So very similar. Select department. Now count. Count also takes an argument. So how do we count employees? There are a few different ways, and let me add the argument later on and explain those ways. From employees, group by department, order by employee count, descending. All right. So we want to count employees in each department. How do we count them? So the count function counts how many values there are of the value that you input here, right? So it's a good idea to use unique value, the primary key of the table, which is employee ID. We can do that, or we can do the asterisk that kind of, in this case, represents the whole row, each row of in the employee table, and each row is one singular employee. So this can work, as well as the employee ID. And let's run this as well. So this works. And let's run with the asterisk, with just, you can interpret it as count the rows. Same result.